Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot issue related to the version of this file is not compatible with the version of Windows. So this issue happens whenever you are trying to install or whenever you are trying to run the application which is not compatible with Windows 10 operating system. So to run this application you have to go to the application properties. Suppose this is the application and this is a setup of that particular application. I'm going to right click on this and then go to properties. In the compatibility you have to check this and select the operating system on which this application was developed and want to run with the help of these compatibility mode. So if I develop the application with the help of Windows Vista and it is compatible with Windows Vista, I will select Windows Vista. If I develop an application with Windows 7 and compatible with Windows 7, then I will select Windows 7 and then click on apply and click on OK. If I develop the application with the compatibility mode on Windows 8, then I will select Windows 8 and then click on apply and then click on OK. So this is what you have to select and then run the application and try to install that particular application. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.